Hello student, today I am going to explain you the subtraction of integers. The rule is to subtract one integer from another, we take the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted and add it to the other integer. You can see here a minus b. So b is to be subtracted from a. So you can write like this also. A is added to the additive inverse of B. The additive inverse of B is here minus B. See an example. Subtract 7 from 2. So from 2 you have to subtract 7. Means you have to add the additive inverse of 7 here from 2. So that means 2 is added to minus 7. So one is positive, one is negative. So you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number here. So here the answer is minus 5. Now see the questions of exercise 4C. Question number 1 is subtract. One number is 18 from minus 34. So from minus 34 you have to subtract 18. So means here both are here negative. So minus is added and sign is the common sign. So minus 52 is the answer here. 5 number is 219 from 0 you have to subtract. So 0 is written here first, then 219 is subtracted from 0. Means the answer is here minus 219. Next question is question number 3. Subtract the sum of minus 250 and 138 from the sum of 136 and minus 272. Means you have to find the sum of these two also and the sum of these two also. So first find the sum of minus 250 and 138. So one is here negative, one is positive. Means you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number. So minus 112 is the sum here. Next is you have to find the sum of 136 and minus 272. So when you add, one is positive, one is negative. Again you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater one, that is minus 136 is here. Now from this sum you have to subtract this sum. So first you write this sum minus 136 and minus, then within bracket minus 112. Now when you remove the bracket, minus into minus is plus. So minus 136 plus 112. So one is negative, one is positive. So you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater one. So minus 24 is the answer here. Next question is question number 4. From the sum of 33 and minus 47, subtract minus 84. So first you find the sum of 33 and minus 47. So here one is positive, one is negative. So you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number. So minus 14 is the sum here. Now in finding the difference you have to subtract from minus 14, minus 84 should be subtracted. So when you remove the bracket here, minus into minus is plus. So again here minus and plus, both are of different sign. So again you have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number. So that is here positive. So 70 is the answer of this question. Next question is simplify. Simplify, you can see the question. Within the bracket minus 13 minus, then minus 17 is within the bracket, then plus. Then again minus 22 minus and minus 40 is within the bracket. So according to the BODMAS rule, first you have to remove the small bracket. So if you remove the small bracket, you can see minus into minus is plus here. So minus 13 plus 17 and plus, then minus 22, again minus is plus. So plus 40. So minus and plus is subtracted and sign of the greater number. So 4 is here and plus here also minus and plus is subtracted and the sign is 0 positive, so plus 18. So both are here positive. So simply you have to add and the answer is here 22. Next question is question number 9. The sum of two integers is 65. If one of the integers is minus 47, find the other. So in this type of word problem, you should assume that let the other integer be x. So according to question, it is given that the first integer is already given as minus 47. So minus 47 is added to the other integer. We have supposed here x and the sum is equal to 65. So you have to find the value of x here. So minus 47 should be taken to the RHS. Here it is negative, so that side it must be changes its sign to positive. So 65 plus 47 and we will get the value of x is equal to 112. Therefore the other integer is 112. Next question is question number 12. On a day in Srinagar, the temperature at 6 p.m. was 1 degree Celsius, but at midnight that day it dropped to minus 4 degrees Celsius. By how many degrees Celsius did the temperature fall? So temperature at 6 p.m. it was 1 degree Celsius and temperature at 12 midnight it is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the fall in temperature is here. You have to subtract minus 4 degrees Celsius from 1 degree Celsius. So, minus into minus is plus here. So, 1 degree Celsius is added to 4 degrees Celsius and that is 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature fall by 5 degrees Celsius. This is your answer here. Now from exercise 4C, the questions which you have to do are, in question number 1, you have to do question number 1, 3, 5 and 7. Then you have to do question number 3, question number 4, question number 6, only 2 number. Then question number 8 and question number 9 here. After question number 9, you have to do question number 12. So this is all for today, student. This is the third video of integers.